Often our students will add to the end of sounds. When they do that, it actually turns that one sound into two sounds. For example, k becomes k, which is k and If the word is cat, but students decode the word k-a-t, when they blend the sounds together, the word will be ka-ata, which is not a recognizable word. So I'm going to show you a simple, easy tip to help remind students to clip those sounds. Whenever you say sounds that students often add the to, such as t, d, l, and p, teach students to use the imaginary scissors to clip the sound. T, d, l, p. If you practice this with students consistently, it will become more natural to say those correct sounds without needing the scissor reminder.